Hello guys and welcome back to Caveman Coding. What we're going to do today is show you guys how to make a basic calculator. We're going to explain Booleans to you guys, and we're going to show you what if-else statements are, which we'll use Booleans and if-else statements later in the course, maybe to make some games. So yeah, the first thing we're going to do right now is make a basic calculator.
Okay, so to make this basic calculator, we need to have two variables. So the first variable is going to be named first number, because we need the user to input different numbers for the calculator. So we need to have the thing go input, and then enter an integer. And then we do second number, or second variable. It's going to be the same thing, input dot enter an integer. Okay, so now we need to get the sum of these two numbers. So for that, we're going to create a new variable called sum, and then let's have sum equal to the first number plus the second number. So now all we have to do is print sum. So let's rerun it, and let's do integers 5 and 4. Let's see, look. So it prints 54. It does this because since it's a string, it's thinking that the input is a string. Because over here it says it's in quotations, right? So it's a string. If I were to remove these quotations and put a number, it would become an integer. But we want to change these values into integers just to make it numbers so that the software can add it up. To do that, we have to type int, which stands for integer, and then we have to put these parentheses in for the first number and the second number. Let me int, and over here, and over here. What this does is now it's going to read this as the number 5 and the number 4, instead of just thinking like, let's just say like the word 5 and the word 4 adding together. Now it's going to act. Now let's try it. So print sum. Let's run it again. Integer 5 and 4. So it prints 9.
Do this basic calculator with any sort of thing here. So we can even do subtract or multiply or something. We can do all that stuff using this. All right, so the next part of the video is Booleans. And Booleans are basically variables, but they're true or false. So let's just say a variable or a Boolean is hello. And this hello Boolean can either be true or it has to be false. And we can use Booleans in a variety of ways, and we will especially use them later on in the course. So let's put true. And the next part is if-else statements, and these are one of the most important aspects of Python. So we can say if, which is our if statement. So let's just say if hello is equal to true, and then basically we click enter, and this little break right here, that basically tells me that that's inside that if statement. So if hello equals true, we can print something like, I don't know, good job. But let's just say hello is false. If hello is false, we can just say else, and we can do these semicolons here. Also, I think I forgot the semicolons right here. So if hello is not true, then we could say print oops, try again. So let's just say if I run this code right now, what will it say? So right now it says good job because hello equals true. But let's just say I change this up here so hello is false. Then the result will be oops, try again because hello is false. So if hello is true right here, it'll print good job. If hello is not true, then it'll print oops, try again like it did there. So yeah, that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and click that like button. We would still love.
Make sure you comment.
Yeah, comment. Make sure you give us some feedback because we're still very new to this. And hope you guys enjoyed. Keep coding, Cave class.